Today we're here to show you this Dodge Ram Rebel. We're doing a leveling kit, fuel wheels and fuel tires too. We do the leveling kit because we are lifting the truck in order to clear a taller tire. These tires from factory are approximately about 29 inches tall. We want to go with a 33-inch tire, which will lift the truck total between leveling kit and tires about 4 inches, and it gives it a nicer stance, a more rugged stance, gives it more of that off-road look without having to be an off-road truck. Over here, Ander, one of our techs, is installing the tires, and he's already taken the struts out and installed the spacers inside the struts in order to be able to lift the vehicle. After this is all done and the new wheels are on it, then the vehicle needs to get aligned. It will have an alignment done to it also. The spacers, as you see, is lighting up, go on top of the strut. This gives the truck a 2-inch taller stance in the front. Actually levels it off with the rear. That's why they call it a leveling kit, because it makes the truck level from front to back. These are the fuel wheels we're using, and these are the fuel tires we're using. It's a 22-inch wheel with a 285/50 22-inch tire. Overall height of the tire is about 33 inches tall. That'll give us the stance we're looking for, which is about 4 inches higher. We mount and balance them here on our own equipment, our own Hunter equipment. We got a TC39 mounter, and we have our GSP 9700 road force balancing equipment. This ensures that the rims and tires are mounted and balanced properly and that they don't have any vibrations. We also, on all these newer vehicles, we also take the sensors, the factory sensors off of the factory rims and tires, put them on your rims and tires. That way your sensors work, your computer knows what's going on, and you don't have any lights running on in the dashboard. We've done one wheel already. As you see, the front rim and tire are already mounted, and here's the rear of the vehicle with the stock rim and tire. And just sitting on top of the lift with just the front wheel on it alone, it completely changes the look of the vehicle. So it gives it, with not spending a whole lot of money, it gives the truck a custom look.